Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm going to show you a few pieces of Happy Mail, and then I'll cut this video off and we'll go right into a tutorial next. So this is from Hello Susan. I've already unpacked this. She always makes a pretty for me. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love this. She has all kinds of flips and everything in it. A little notepad. Lots of tags, and she always makes it out of the collection. So it's made out of this collection. And let's see, she says, thanks for sharing her Hello Susan digitals on your YouTube channel. I appreciate you so much, and you inspire me to design and create. Great news, she has a YouTube channel now, so I will link her YouTube channel below and her store. Let's see, saving. Yep, I'm going to ask my subscribers to go over and subscribe to your YouTube channel. This collection is called Cottage Rose. So, and I do love the project you made with it. So let's look at Cottage Rose. I know it's going to be pretty. Oh, enjoy every moment. That's true. And I always pull her little cutouts off of here because I like to use them. And there is her, this is her card. And let's see if I can get it close enough that it will, there you go. There is her PayHip store. She's not on Etsy anymore. She is on PayHip. People that say, I don't know where to find her anymore. Even though I link it. But anyway, that's where you can find her. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty, Susan. Oh, I can't wait to use this in a journal. Isn't that gorgeous? Choose what makes your heart bloom. Yep. Keep calm and be thankful. This is gorgeous. Dream, plan, do. Ooh, look at that page. That's a big pocket, right? Is that a big pocket? I think so. Nice. Oh, and look at these pockets. Or envelopes. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Wow, I love this, Susan. Ooh, I'm flipping some of them over and some of them not. I'm so excited about the paper. That's gorgeous. Wow. And there's some background sheets. Very pretty, Susan. Thank you so much. You guys go over. I'll link her YouTube channel. Subscribe over there. I will link this collection, Cottage Rose. So you can go over and pick that up. I know you're going to want it. Okay, then I got this little package from, let me pull everything out. I think the name is in here if I'm not mistaken, but look at this. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is pretty. It's a beautiful little zip pouch, and you know I'll make plenty of room for that. And then lots of little wood butterflies. Let's see if we can, I'm learning how to make this thing focus a little bit. So you guys have to bear with me. There we go. Lots of little wood butterflies in a little container. And then she has stamped some butterflies on some paper. And these are little ATC cards. Those are pretty. That little butterfly pin. And I thought it had a name in here. There wasn't a name on the package, I don't think. Keep looking, but this is just lots of little ephemera pieces. They're butterfly mostly, and then a couple more butterflies, and those little I don't know, they're like crocheted butterflies. I don't really know. Well, the name has gone. I didn't see a name on the package, that's why I let the package go out. And now I'm not seeing a name on here. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Nope, that wasn't it. I thought I had dropped a card. Let me know in the comments below if you sent this. I am sorry. I thought there was a card on the inside of this, but evidently not. So let me know if you sent it. If you don't mind. Some people don't want me to know. And that's okay too. Okay, and then I got this huge box yesterday. So let me put the box down here. And let's see. I'm not sure that I know who this is from either. Hold on. Yeah, this is from Lynn Charbot, I think. So, got that. Okay, I think we got it all out now. Alright, on this bag, she put scoops. So I'm thinking she is donating some of this maybe to our scoops. I guess. I don't know. Let's look at the books and then we'll open that up and see what's in there. Ooh, it's an old book. Very old. And I like that size too. Thank you. Sears and Roebuck. Oh my goodness, look at that. An old Sears and Roebuck. I've never seen a catalog this small. Ours was always real big. Let's see what this one is. Scientific Series. My granddaughter will probably take that one away from me. Elementary English Composition. Ooh, those pages feel good. And then History of Jonestown Flood. Wow. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, and these pages feel good too. And then a Webster's. Everybody gotta have a Webster's. Well, ended up with some thread on that. I think that come from me. And then some of these papers, and I've never seen these before. They've got like stitching on them. Let's see if you can pick that up. There we go. See, it's got like stitched lines on there. And this one's got my name on it. Okay. Jump rings. Everybody has said, I can't believe you don't know what those are called. They're jump rings. Well, I can't, you know, when I'm filming, I can't remember names and things. Oh, look at this. It's a little notebook that has my initial on the front, E. Look at that. How pretty. Is that an E? Yeah, that's an E. I started to say, oh no, that's not an E, that's F, that's an E. Oh, how cute. Some little projects that she made. Ooh, that's pretty. Journaling cards. Tags. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. Thank you. And then envelopes, looks like. Yeah, I've got lots of envelopes and a stamp on that one that I'll have to take off and use. Thank you so much. I love envelopes. And I've got a lot now. Okay. I told you that somebody sent me a whole case. Let's see. I hope all is good with you and your family. I have been watching your videos since the lockdown on my phone. Then I found out you can watch YouTube on the smart TV, a big game changer. Enclosed are some tags I made. I hope you like them. Jump rings I bought at the dollar store. At the time I had no idea why. Then I was watching one of your videos and you couldn't find yours. Then I said to myself, that is why the jump rings were bought. God is good. Yes, He is. The books I had bought at the library bookstore for $1 each. You and Melina can share them. God's blessings to you. Love, Lynn. Thank you so much, Lynn. That is so sweet of you. And this package is Melina, so I'm going to set it aside. And we will look in here. Sorry about the crinkling. For anybody who doesn't like that sound. I love that sound myself. I don't like it when it's, you know, way too loud, but I try to always cut my sound down when I'm doing it so it's not quite so loud. Okay. Oh my god. Ooh, I'm dropping things. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Look at all the good stuff that she gave. And it's all brand new. Never been taken out of packages. Wow. And she's donating all of this to the Scoops. And we can pass it on to you guys. Isn't that sweet of her? I'm assuming that's what she's doing because she said Scoops on it. How sweet. Ooh, that one fell out. We'll have to put that one back in. Yeah, some of these packages are not too strong, are they? Ooh, those are pretty. I'll go through these so that I'll just give you a glimpse of them. You'll be surprised when you get some. Look at this. She bought tons. Looks like she had a shopping spree at Tuesday mornings. Ooh, and that's a dice. A dice set. I'll get it out in a minute. Dicey. That one's a dice set. Pretty. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. So, guess what some of you are going to get in your next Scoops. Those dies are so pretty. Wow. Those are gorgeous. You got a ton of them too. Christmas one. Snowflakes. It's the little arrows. And then there's some of those little hang-me-down things. Hang-me-down things. I told you when I'm filming, I'm looking at stuff and I can't remember names. It's so crazy. These are so cute. Thank you. And then these are Faber-Castell gelatos. Oh my goodness. These are pretty expensive. I've had some of those before. And she has donated those. And then this metal. Those are metal. Isn't that pretty? Wow. That. Oh my goodness. You did not have to do this, but thank you so much. We'll definitely pass the goodies on. And give these as some freebies and things for you guys who buy the Scoops. Oh, those are metallic. Those are pretty. Oh, look at the little bunny. How cute. And it is Easter time. Look at that. I like everything on there except that thing. You know I don't like owls. Oh my goodness. And these are canvas. Oh my goodness. Look at this. And then this is a notebook. Wow. So that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Lynn. You didn't have to do that, but we really appreciate it. So those of you who buy Scoops, you'll be getting some freebies in your Scoops this time. And Lynn, if that's not what you meant by that note, please let me know. But I'm thinking that you were donating this to our Scoops pile. So just let me know if I'm wrong on that. Thank you so much. All right, I think that is all that I have. And now I'm going to get my video ready and we'll get started on that. All right, we'll be back in just a minute.